The whole idea behind this soundscape is how people view their everyday work life in offices as daunting like a haunted house. The first image depicts the reality of a normal office life. However, the second image represents the inside mind of the employees in the office. The creepy and eerie sounds are what these people truly feel and go through with their routine. Our project wants to portray a contrast between the fast pace of office life and how scary and haunting it can be.
Some of the problems encountered during the shooting of the sounds were the amount of background noise which was disturbing the level of creativity which was lacking. Thus, we had to take several shots in order to get the shot perfect. In fact, for the first picture, while recording the sounds of doors slamming with the use of a ladder, one of the team members even fell.
As solutions for the problems encountered, we made use of props such as ladders, pens, curtains to enhance our creativity level. We took several shots to ensure that we get the perfect sounds and effects needed.